Is it bad to marinate meat for too long? From my experience, it is always best to marinate meat for a decent amount of time, so the meat can soak up the marinade and be more flavorful. However, I came across this recipe here. http://www.abc.net.au/tv/cookhand-chef/txt/s2264630.htm. See link. 1. In the directions, it says, add pork and marinade for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight, but no longer than 12 hours. I was wondering, why does it say, no longer than 12 hours? Isn't it good to let meat marinate for as long as possible? Thanks.
2 things. If the marinade is very strong or salty, then the meat could simply become overflavored. If the marinade includes a meat digesting enzyme such as papain, then leaving it too long could turn the meat to mush. I've also found that if there's a citric acid, i.e., lime or lemon juice in the marinade, it changes the texture of the meat. Sort of like the process ceviche undergoes.